consensus client. I'll go look for the YouTube link. All right, it looks like it's available. Let's share it in Telegram, and we can start with the updates. Gaston, do you want to go first?
Sure. Yesterday, I continued working on the refactor of the gossip messages, the one that makes the instead of sending messages, gossip messages to processes, we are sending now to modules, forcing the modules to implement a behavior. And well, that is currently working, but I need to make a change to the test that we have because I need to make the test module to implement the behavior. And that PR is open now, so um, for review. So let me know what you think about that. Um, yeah, I'm now addressing some comments on other open PRs. Um, well, maybe after that, if the refactor is finished, we'll continue on that refactor, maybe deleting some servers. But yeah, I, I will that today.
All right, that sounds great. Thanks for the refactor. I almost finished reviewing your PR. It's pretty good. Just added a couple of comments. The only file that's missing for me to review is the test one, which I think should be interesting. You probably shouldn't need um, the test module to implement anything. Probably the sanest and easiest way to go around this is to implement a small module either inside of the test or a helper module, like a very simple one that just handles the what's yeah, just handles the gossip message in any way, and then we should be able to call that module. Like, for instance, we can use a very small gen server or something like that, but we can figure it out. I'll finish reviewing this as soon as possible, and then if it's necessary, we can have like a sync or something to talk about this offline. But thanks for taking care of this. It's a pretty big and pretty non-trigger refactor, so congrats for that. Yeah, all right. So, as for my updates, yesterday I finished the architecture document update. The last thing that I did was the blocks processing section. So everything should be now up to date and reflecting the current state of the code. Aside from that, I spent this morning catching up with PR reviews. I think that I reviewed everything that was pending. Now I will finish reviewing the last one, which is this PR that we were just talking about, and after that I will start designing the refactor for the remaining gen servers. Ideally, I'll start working on some of them today, and I will open several issues for it. So yeah, those are my updates, mostly documentation and PR reviews. So anyway, do we have any final comments or questions before finishing the daily? All right, if that's the case and we don't have any messages in the chat, then we can finish the daily for today. Thank you all for joining, and I'll see you all tomorrow.